So a quick video to just show you how to change the battery that is inside your Acura key. This one is a 2013 Acura MDX. It goes through all the keys from 2007 to 2013 from Acura, so RDX and pretty much. So if you have a flip key this way, okay, so this is the video on how to change the key. There is a battery inside, which is the CR1616. So let's go through it. On the top right here, you can see you have here a little screw. So you get your screwdriver and you unscrew it. Little screw, you want to make sure that you keep it somewhere, okay, so that it doesn't fly away just like it did. I'm gonna just keep it over here. And now you have this cover. The front here, you have that little line, and that little line is the one that actually will come off. So what you do, you push this one up, down, okay? And when you do that, you see the way it goes, like in a very weird way. So that's the one that comes out. So you wiggle a little bit, and then you remove this. Once you remove this, this is what you focus on. So out here, you will have to just push the button down to remove the system itself. Okay, so once you have this one, we're gonna now pry this one off. So if you look on the side here, you have a little spot over here that you will want to pry off with a little flat screwdriver. Okay, if you look around, you will have this one here on the side of this button. So what you do, you put that in and you just turn to pry it out. Very easy. You turn to pry it out. You make sure not to punch it in so you don't damage anything. And once this is done, you can pry it out. Same thing over here, and it should come easy. It should come very easy. So that's your system. Now you have your CR1616. So that's diameter 16 and depth 16. So what you're gonna do, you push down this one a little bit, just here, like this, sorry, just like this, and you pry it out very carefully. There you go. So once your battery is out, you can see here we're using here a Panasonic, okay, CR1616. So you want now at this point replace it. Now to replace it, what you do, you just slide at it. You make sure that this flat side, okay, is up, and you just slide that in. That's the negative side, and you have it well. Put that in, and you bring back your unit. Now you have to pay attention. You see that on this side here, it can go this way because it won't be touching the unit. So you have to flip it this way to make sure that it goes in the right direction. So you're gonna put that in. It has to touch, you see that the prong here has to touch the battery. So you put that in, close that around, okay? Make sure that it's all sealed back. There you go, it's all sealed back. And at this point, you bring back your cover. You put it in the same way. And I put it this way. And put that in. There you go. Now that is in securely, you will gently pose it this way first, and then bring it back this way. And that's how it is. And now you're gonna finish by your screw back inside with your screwdriver, and that's pretty much what it is. And at this point, you have replaced your car battery, your car key battery. So and here when you push, it can now work, and that's how it goes. The link for the exact CR16 that you need, I'm leaving that below in the description so you can click on and get it. Other than that, make sure that everything works good for you before you start using your car or so. Anyway, this is the Acura MDX. I have an Acura MDX 2013, and this is for me. I hope the video helps you. Other than that, thank you for watching. Subscribe. Bye bye.